This My Numeracy skill looks at exploring and describing number patterns that use multiplication. Often when we look at number patterns and are asked to find the next number in a series of numbers, they have an addition between each number. So they're a bit easier to find than multiplication, but only when you don't know how to do it. So this example, 1, 3, 5, 7, it's got a constant gap of 2 between each number. So 1 plus 2 makes 3, 3 plus 2 makes 5, 5 plus 2 makes 7, 7 plus 2 makes 9. So the next number would be 9. That's not looking for multiplication, that's an addition. Another example would be 5, 8, 11. The difference here between each of the numbers, you could do 8 take away 5, the difference would be 3 between each of them. So 5 and 3 make 8, 8 and 3 make 11, 11 and 3 would be your next number, 14. You can also get them going backwards, of course, where you're subtracting between each number. Here's an example of that. 14, 10, 6. We're decreasing each time in our number sequence, and we're decreasing by 4 each time. 14 take away 4 makes 10, 10 take 4 is 6, 6 take 4 is 2, that's your answer. Nice and simple. The skill we're looking at today though is where that gap isn't always the same. So here's an example, and it's the first example on the worksheet that's attached to this My Numeracy skill. So 1, 2, 4. What is the difference here? So between 1 and 2 the difference is 1, between 2 and 4 the difference is 2. So we could keep looking for an addition pattern there, or we can look at it in terms of multiplication. 1 times what makes 2? 1 lot of 2 makes 2. 2 lots of 2 make 4. So between each number, all we're actually doing is multiplying by 2. So the answer, 4 lots of 2 is 8. So when you're looking for a pattern, if it's not always the same between each number, then you're probably actually looking for a multiplication series. So have a look at multiplying or dividing between the numbers that you have given in the series to find out what your missing numbers will be. Here's a more difficult example from later in the worksheet. We've got an unknown number first, then there's 12, 48, 192, 762. Now it's obviously not going to have an addition series there. 12 plus what makes 48? 36. 48 plus 36 definitely doesn't equal 192. So it's going up by much more than that the second time, and then the third time it's going from 192 to 762. Heaps. So you're looking at multiplication. Now you can do that by looking at the two lowest numbers that you've got together, the 12 and the 48. And you can think, how many 12s make 48? 4 12s make 48. So you're going to be multiplying by 4, especially if the next one works. 48 times 4, well 50 times 4 is 200, so 48 times 4, yep, that's about right, 192, perfect. So to find that missing number, we need to divide 12 by 4 to go backwards to make it smaller. So how many lots of 4 make 12? 3 lots of 4 make 12. So your answer there will be 3. 3 lots of 4 make 12. 12 4s are 48. 48 4s are 192. 192 times 4 is 762. The only other language you might find a bit tricky in this worksheet is it's asking for the value of each term there in question 2. The value of a term just means what is the first term, just means what is the first number in the pattern. So that first question there, 2, 4, 8, 16, the first term is 2. The third term in the second one, what's the third number in the series? 6, 12, 24, 48. The third number there is 24. Easy peasy. Good luck with that worksheet and the My Numeracy activity that goes with it. It really does just go to reinforce how important it is that we know our times tables. So if you don't know them well, grab a times tables chart and make sure you're practicing them all the time. Good luck.